Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, hello my patrons. Today is Wednesday and we have a 3-layer cake. First layer, our 5 routines. What are the routines? You know, morning routine and children's morning routine. If you're going to work, you're done with routines. Laundry, paper routine, it's just an inch. It takes 2 or 3 minutes to go through. After dinner routine and before bed routine. If you're coming home from work, you're going to do your laundry and your paper routine when you first come in. Just get it started, and then you've got your after dinner routine and your before bed routine. So 5 routines. That's first layer of the cake. The second layer, we're going to the zone. The zone we're in this week is zone 3, the bathroom, and 1 other room. Now I've chosen the bathroom, our upstairs main bathroom, and the guest bathroom downstairs this week. So you choose what you want, but that's what I've chosen. And the things that I've done are things like baseboards, counters, different things like that. So you do what you need to do in your 2 rooms. 1 job a day, total of 4, not 1 job in each of the 2 rooms, just 1 job a day, total of 4. If you haven't decluttered, then you won't be doing deep cleaning for 10 minutes or less. You'll be doing decluttering for 15 minutes, which includes put away, throw away, give away, separating those things out, and then completing the process by putting it in the trunk if it's a giveaway, or the back of the car, putting it in the garbage if it's not worth anything, or putting it away in your home. Okay? That's what you're doing. So after work, if you're working, before work, you're not out working outside the home. If you're staying in the home with your family, then you're going to do it after your routine in the morning, after you've got the laundry and the paper going. But at work, those people who are working outside the home, they're going to come home and do laundry, paper, and zone. Now the last thing we have left is our basic weekly plan. On Wednesday, that is planning and desk day. For those of you at work, you're going to do a lot of this at your work, on your lunch hour or your break. And that will be making your list for groceries, making your menu based. Your list is based on your menu, and your menu is based on what you've got in your house. So you'll have to take a little inventory and make your list from that. And then you're going to check your budget, you're going to balance your checkbook, you're going to make sure no weird things are happening on your cards, and you're going to look at your budget and make sure you're in budget. So pay your bills, budget, make sure nothing fraudulent is happening on your credit card or debit card, balance the checkbook, make a grocery list based on what you've got in your menu, and that menu based on what you have on your shelves and what you don't have. Okay, that's it. If you're staying at home, you're going to do it at home. If you have to go to work, you're going to do it at work. And if you are working and you have taken that weekly home blessing hour and split it into 5 days, then you're responsible for inspecting what you expect if you have delegated it, or doing it if the person you delegated to chose not to do it and chose a consequence, or you don't want to delegate it, or you don't have anyone to delegate it to, or you can save it up for Saturday. Your call. All right, that's it for today. Don't forget to do your after dinner routine with the family and your before bed routine. That before bed routine is the cornerstone of the routines. Make sure you're getting that done. Also, don't forget remember, I'm not supposed to say don't forget. Remember to do 3 clutter checks a day. That's what's going to keep this from re-happening. Right? You're going to look especially in the vulnerable areas you've recently decluttered, and make sure that you and your family are not leaving mindless clutter. So it's important that you check 3 times a day. Morning before you go to work, or morning when you get up, after lunch if you're at home, or after work if you're working outside the home, before bed. That's what you're going to do. And you're going to inspect what you expect with your children so that you can make sure their jobs are being done. You're not going to be a perfectionist. You're not going to over-expect, and you're going to limit the amount of time they're allowed to do household jobs, 10 minutes or less. All right, that's it for today. Have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.